Okay, we just came in and Pace's Mill and going south on the hooch. It's June 1st. The bridge ahead is Cobb Parkway, US 41, and then we'll go around the bend to where Lovett School is, Canoe Restaurant, Pace's Mill Bridge at Pace's Ferry, and then on down even further where there's some shoals, an inlet, and then eventually the Atlanta Polo Fields. Hey Baron, can you say hi?
Hi.
How old are you?
5.
5 years old, kayaking. And he's bumping me. No bumping, buddy.
Whoa, you touched mine.
Dad, you're going really low. You're going really low.
Here at the Pace's Mill, Chattahoochee Park, they just put in a new boat ramp, which is right there. Very handy.
Hello. What landing is that?
That's the boat ramp for the trailers.
Perfect weather today.